Good morning, Jarvis. How about a Star Wars vlog to dazzle our audience?
Your Star Wars vlog is about to launch, sir. As if the galaxy needed another reason to question its sanity, let's make it epic, or at least inoffensive.
While we're waiting for that, let's post an image of my wife's epic German bread to Facebook. And since I know you're great at multitasking, why don't you tell us a little bit about Viral Strike?
Three riders, one road, and nothing but carving curves through South Dakota's high country. Watch them drop in, lean, throttle, and fly. Every switchback, every breath of the mountain air, pushing closer.
Sorry about that. When you're using your phone as your content manager and your wife calls. Alright, here we go. Let's see here.
Your written output may be multitasking, Jerry, but it seems a bit too enamored with itself. Perhaps I should lend a hand in toning down the swagger. Shall we focus on some actual content creation, or do you fancy a round of backpatting instead?
Nothing says hero of the empire like standing in a billion jutsu while it rains in Seoul.
TK19's vlog is off to a resounding start. I can't wait to see how swiftly it captures the public's imagination, given that stormtroopers are notoriously good at missing the point. As for the German bread ad, nothing screams culinary genius quite like a digital aroma wafting through Facebook. One might say it's proof that even bread can become a social media
And there you go. Posted right before my wife called to interrupt the demo. But hey, there you go. ViralStrike.ai. Manage your entire content from Telegram, or from the web interface, or from Autopilot. Check out our YouTube channel and see us at ViralStrike.ai.